Astronauts wear bulky spacesuits on spacewalks to protect from extreme heat, cold, and space radiation. But can you do detailed tasks with all that gear on? Let's find out. I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're training like an astronaut with an assembly challenge. You'll need a 25-piece puzzle, a pair of gloves, a stopwatch, and a teammate. Assemble the puzzle once, then flip it over. Label the outer pieces A and the inner pieces B. Set up an assembly area 3 meters away. Put on your gloves and get ready. When the clock starts, Crew A leaves home base to assemble their pieces. When they come back, Crew B runs out, finishes the puzzle, and runs back. Stop the clock when Crew B returns. Bulky gloves make puzzle solving tough. You need dexterity, coordination, and really good teamwork. Astronauts perform spacewalks in pairs, supporting each other every step of the way. One might do the task while the other watches out for safety and helps with tools. Nice work, Space Explorers. You handled that challenge like a pro crew. Keep training your brain, hands, and teamwork. It's mission critical.